Hi everyone, this is Kay. Welcome to my part 3 video on how to make daily sales. Continuing from the last video, I'm going to conclude what is map all about. Alright, the biggest secret sauce is in order to get daily sales, you need to drive the right traffic, enough traffic into a proven system, right? If you're serious about making money, they will upgrade because the value is undeniable, and when they upgrade, we earn more. With all these powerful features in place, how is anyone not making daily sales? Right now, we are only 9 days away. They are offering a one-time fee. There will be no monthly charges, so seize your chance before the price doubles or even triples in the future. If you choose to purchase through my link, I'll provide exclusive bonuses that will help you hit the ground running. These bonuses are designed to give you extra tools and strategies to succeed faster and make daily sales. You'll gain exclusive access to personalized support for the first 40 days, but that doesn't mean I won't respond after. The first 40 days will be my top priority. You may give away my 6 module course as your own lead magnet. Simply import it, make a few tweaks, and it's ready to go. An online course, 5 Keys to Branding. It is very important for you to consider how the perception of your brand and your company and just of yourself is affecting people's willingness to follow you and ultimately buy from you. Content Planner. Simplify your social media strategy. Starting out and creating content can be overwhelming, but with this planner, you have a clear roadmap. No more guesswork or frustration, just a straightforward path. Your first 30-day social media guide that comes with PLR is a step-by-step guidance to kickstart your journey. Anything that comes with PLR, you may rebrand it as your own and price it at any pricing that you want. Next is the social media blueprint that comes with MRR. Use this ready-to-go resource to build your online presence. Daily affiliate marketing mistakes. Avoid common pitfalls and fast-track your success. I'll show you how to turn your Facebook into a daily sales machine. I'll teach you how to optimize your profile for conversions. I'll let you have a list of groups to get you started with quality leads. Last but not least, a simple way to collect testimonial on the spot so you never miss a chance to build credibility. With the right system plus the right audience equals to consistent daily sales. I'll now review the exclusive bonus. If you're serious about generating passive income, this course is a must-have. It's a step-by-step course designed by my friend who escaped his call center job and now earns over $26,000 with the same affiliate program. Here's what some of the people I've worked with have to say about my guidance has helped them to achieve their goals. This is Ro. I gave her my Facebook optimization guide and she found a lot of value in it. She really likes my guide. She liked it. She said it's simple and easy to follow. This is a guy where he had a lot of problem with his Facebook profile, so I took the extra step. I reached out to him. I helped him with all the issues that he had. He couldn't add friends and he couldn't even make longer posts on his profile. Not too sure what happened, but yeah, he was happy that I reached out to him because in the beginning of our journey, it's going to be hard, right? So if there is someone there to guide you, to support you, it will make all the difference. This is another lady where she has a lot of problems selling another product. So she had to set up her payment gateway, her funnel, but she has no clue. I don't blame her because many of us, we are not tech savvy in the beginning. It took me some time to learn all this stuff. Oh, by the way, I do have a certificate for System IO, so if you have any question, do reach out to me. I'm more than willing to answer all your questions. So I help her to do all those things. Now she can promote without knowing any of those tech, but let's not worry about that because map requires nothing for you to build any funnel, emails, anything like that. But yeah, on an additional knowledge, if you need that, I'll help you. This is another lady, so same thing. She took my Facebook optimization guide and she really liked it. I think now she is on her second profile. She's doing really well. She got a lot friends now into her funnel. This guy had a look at my free training. So he likes it and he told me it's simple, easy to understand for beginners. Okay, now I hope you walk away from my trainings with valuable insights and actionable knowledge. You may choose to apply my strategies to your existing program or take action exactly as I recommend. But do not wait too long. Opportunities like this don't last forever. We are only 9 days away from the full launch. Just keep that in mind. I genuinely believe this will work. This is the easiest, fastest, and most effective way to earn money online. If you are interested, click on the link below this video. Let's work together for your success. The road to consistent sales doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right affiliate program and a structured approach and the right tools, you can start seeing results every day. I'm here to help you to get started. If you're ready to make daily sales, take advantage of this affiliate program that offer recurring income and learn how to scale your business. I'll guide you through every step of the way. Join me and let's create the affiliate marketing success you have always dreamed of. If you'd like to have a chat, reach out to me on Facebook. I'll put in the link below this video as well. That's all for today. Bye bye.